Begin by combining half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, kosher salt, and freshly ground black pepper, both to taste, and about 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Then mix to combine. For this recipe, we are using 2 boneless and skinless chicken breasts. Using paper towels, pat dry the chicken breast. By doing so, the seasoning would attach better to the chicken and promotes better grill marks. Spread the marinade over the chicken and make sure to coat both sides. Meanwhile, let's make the avocado salsa. To make the avocado salsa, we need half a cup of sliced tomatoes. Transfer all the ingredients to a large mixing bowl. Dice about 1/4 cup of red onion. We're also dicing 1 jalapeno pepper, seeds and all. If you don't like things to be too spicy, remove the seeds. Dice 1 small cucumber. Dice 1 ripe avocado. Quick tip here, add the avocado pit to the bowl to prevent the avocado from turning brown. Chop a handful of fresh cilantro. To the avocado salsa, add the juice of 1 fresh lime. Season with kosher salt and freshly ground black pepper, both to taste. Toss the avocado salsa to combine. Now, before preheating the grill, grease it up with non-stick cooking spray. This prevents sticking and helps you get those nice grill marks. Preheat your grill to medium-high heat, around 375 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. This temperature range works well for cooking chicken breast. Place the seasoned chicken breast on the preheated grill. Close the lid and cook the chicken for about 6 to 7 minutes per side. And after about 6 minutes, flip the chicken over and continue cooking for another 6 minutes or so, or until the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit. And once your chicken breasts are 165 degrees Fahrenheit, remove from the grill. Let the chicken rest for a few minutes before serving. Once the chicken has rested, you may slice and serve. Serve the chicken breast with a nice portion of avocado salsa. And now you are ready to eat. There you guys have it, grilled chicken with avocado salsa. Enjoy! Buen provecho! Thanks for watching, see you later, bye!
Yeah.